Hi guys, it's your girl Melanie. I'm back with another video. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If not, welcome back. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me with building this channel. Okay, today I'm going to be doing my eyebrows for you guys and just show you just what I use. And I only use two things. I use the Kiss Professional Top Brow Fine Precision Brow Pencil in deep dark brown. This has become like my favorite way to do my eyebrows. And LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn I use just to clean up the line and make it really sharp. This is when I'm trying to do those super sharp eyebrows. And you know, a little story about my eyebrows. When I was young, I hated my eyebrows. I absolutely hated my eyebrows. And because they are thick and then there's a sharp drop and then they're really thin on the end. And I hated the way that looked. And I can remember when I was young, I used to buy the clear mascara and brush that on my eyebrows, brush them up and slick them down just so that they were perfect, so they didn't look like it was this dramatic drop off from the front to the back of my eyebrow. And you know, that's just what I did. I absolutely hated them. But you know, now when you get older and you become more accepting of who you are, I don't mind my eyebrows so much. Like now I get my eyebrows threaded and that's it. You know, I didn't do anything else to them. Just when I did my makeup, just brushed the eyebrow and that was it. I never added anything to it. Just, you know, just the minimum. The eyebrows are done and, you know, they're arched and that's it. So now, you know, it's all about eyebrows. So I've been trying to, you know, get a feel for doing my eyebrows and accepting the way that I look, because after, you know, so long, I don't do anything with them. And, you know, I'm fine with that now. Then when people try to put stuff on my eyebrows, I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't like the way that looks. So I'm growing into it. And so I'm going to show you what I do. So I'm going to get up close so you can really see how I do it. I guess that should be close enough. And get my mirror. All right, and this top brow pencil, it comes with two ends. So you have the pencil end and, you know, it's a really fine pencil. So you can get really sharp with drawing on your eyebrows. So that's why I like this pencil. And then on the other end, you have your little spoolie so that, you know, you can brush your eyebrows up. So that's what I start with. Brushing up my eyebrows, just straight up. And they always say that, you know, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. A lot of people try to make their eyebrows look exactly alike, but sometimes it's difficult to do. You should make your eyebrows look like, or at least, let me take that back, because I like more natural looking eyebrows. So even when you go to the salon and get them waxed or threaded or whatever you do, you really can't change the shape of your eyebrow. So you just have to go with the natural shape of your eyebrow. So just be mindful that sometimes your eyebrows are not going to look exactly the same, and that's okay. So I'm going in with just a light hand, just tracing just under the bottom, right at the edge of my eyebrow hairs. And then my eyebrows, and I'm going to do the same thing on the top. And my eyebrows, not only are they not twins, they are more like stepsisters that can never agree on anything. Okay, and once I have that the way I want it, I am filling them in, and I do it with just short strokes because I don't want it too thick. My eyebrows, like this one here, is thicker. The hair is thicker in the eyebrow. The hair is more unruly. They just do not want to be the same. But yeah, I'm filling it in, just doing short strokes. And when I get to the front part, I'm doing strokes up. I'm doing thicker. I'm pressing a little firmer and making it thicker. And then when I turn it around and take the spoolie part and blend it up, so that just how your hair naturally is not as thick towards the front. You don't want to make it too thick in the front and then they look unnatural. And just take the spoolie and blend it through. Okay, and the other one, I'm doing the same thing. Okay, and now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I said in Fawn, and these are both, I get them both from the beauty supply store, so very inexpensive. I think the pencil is $6 or $7. The concealer is $3 or $4. And what I like to do is just squeeze some out and just scrape it off into the cap so you don't have too much going in. And I just take a little bit from there. And then, wait, I got too much. And then put it underneath to clean up underneath the brow so they look really sharp. Okay, and then I take just a flat brush, and you want it to make sure that it's like a thin, on the thinner side, so that you can be really precise with cleaning up your line. So if the pencil went out of the line, or if you have, stray hairs, like you need your eyebrows done, that's when concealer comes to the rescue. And then once I get it the way that I want, then I just pull the concealer down and blend it in with my eyelid. Okay, now for the other side. Okay, and also if you mess up on the top line, you can put the concealer on top, but I don't like to, unless I really mess up, I generally don't put concealer on top, just because I like it to look more natural, not just some edged out eyebrows on top of my forehead. So yeah, so I think that's it. Let me zoom back out. Okay, so I think they look pretty good, and that's how I do my eyebrows. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'm on a schedule of doing it, putting up a new video twice a week. So don't forget, check me out. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time.